Good evening, YouTube. This is Bob Plackner reporting to you from my comfy abode right here in Chicago, Illinois. This evening, I'd like to introduce a pretty high-end video here. I call it Remote Control Pong with the little Lego guy. This little bastard looks dizzy, doesn't he? It never ends. This is a living hell for that little motherfucker. Bouncing around between them two remote controls on a black sofa. Just volleying back and forth. There's no end. No end in sight. Hope you enjoy this video. This is Bob Plackner signing out. And as always, have a good night.